What's going on, everybody? Your man Tim here from Speedy's Woodshop. Just got back from WorkbenchCon 2020 in Atlanta. Man, if y'all missed it, I'm sorry for you. You missed a big deal. Some of the best and brightest woodworkers, makers were all over the place. It was just fellowship, pretty much. They were sharing some knowledge, and there were a lot of breakout classes. There were vendors. It was just a good time had by all. And I have to tell you, especially a couple of vendors of note for me. Total Boat. I wanted some information about that Halcyon product. Got some, brought some home. And Pony Jurgensen, been making clamps forever. We got a chance to talk to some of the development people there on how they make them, why they make them, and why they make them the way they do. And I have to tell you, the fit and finish on them were just incredible. There were a lot of breakout sessions. Lazy Guy DIY, Adam, he did a really good one. Again, Pony Jurgensen did one as well to cover their products, their clamps and what have you. But I think my favorite breakout session of all was Ann from Ann of All Trades. I mean, a couple of things she talked about, I kind of, okay, this makes sense. I kind of thought about that, but I did not know how to put it all together and connected all the dots. It, for me, for what my purposes, it was the best breakout session of the weekend. It really was. And if you see this, you did a great job. You left me with a roadmap to follow, and all I have to do is take that trip. I'm pretty happy about that. Man, I'm telling you, I got to meet some crazy skilled people. Of course, I got to meet the godfather of the maker community, Mr. Jimmy DeRessa. Dude's just so laid back, so humble, such a nice guy. Got a chance to spend a few minutes with Mike Montgomery from Modern Builds. Kind of just had some questions about processing, design processing. Oh my gosh, the list goes on and on. But I got a chance to talk to a great number of people, and I learned a lot, and I came back with pages and pages of notes, products to try out that I hadn't tried before. So if you missed it this year, get to WorkbenchCon 2021. Save your pennies. I'll see you there. Later.